The most difficult aspect of living with MS, even after living with it for almost 18 years, is that it is always bringing surprises with respect to symptoms. Just when you think you've seen it all, something totally new is thrown at the face. MS is truly relentless that way, in proving you wrong, always, and in also finding innovative ways to put you to test. Not to mention the fact that it truly changes the person you once were to someone unrecognizable even to yourself. Accepting the new norm went a long way in not fighting it and instead focusing on how to work around the new symptom. And acceptance has also helped in not going down the depression route, and thereby the entire focus is only on ways to overcome the new challenge and or find ways to adapt with it. The primary thing that keeps me going are my parents, who are also my caregivers. I tell myself, if they can do this for me, I can do this for them too. In a way, we three complement each other, and spirituality helps me to keep that mindset intact. I pray a lot, practice heartfulness, and the rest of the time try and do everything it takes to remove the mind from the elephant in the room. Sometimes it's singing, sometimes it's reading, sometimes it's just a good long call with a friend, or even work extra hours. At the end of the day, the bottom line is to not let the problem or the issue consume me. MS actually helped me understand that I can still be happy without needing to go out. I used to be away from home most of the time before I was diagnosed with MS. I used to be restless at home, a feeling I was missing out on something. But simple things like having a coffee on my own, or sorting my cupboard, looking out of the balcony and enjoying the chaos of the vehicles, children running up and down, people walking their pets were things I had never done or thought I could do. I never would have believed I could do these 18 years back, let alone enjoy them. Now, whether it's the age or MS that taught me these, I wouldn't know. Living with MS for 18 years without actually complaining much about it is my biggest achievement. It has taught me to fight without a day's break. The very fact that I have not given up on life is an achievement to me. I quietly motivate people by being me. They look at me and continue their day. I still laugh, I still live, and I still appreciate life, all of which to me are achievements. But somewhere right on top is the way I work, competing with people without ailments, do the work they do and sometimes much more, and getting recognized for it. I'm telling this without any arrogance and with utmost humbleness. MS has made me a fighter with a never give up on anything attitude.